So good afternoon, folks, and welcome to Cool TV, Cool 91.9. We are currently here at the Monrovia Central Prison, and of course, as you are aware that the Supreme Court of Liberia, just a few minutes ago, acquitted former Chief Justice Gloria Musu Scott and 3 others from the murder case. And of course, we are here. There's already the arrival of several individuals here at the Monrovia Central Prison to ensure that the former Chief Justice and 3 other family members are received from here. So let me give you a little clearer picture. As you can see, this is the route that welcome all of. So vehicles have started arriving now from the Supreme Court of Liberia, as you are aware. So this is the main entry, the route that leads to the center street, and this route as well leads strictly to the beach. And so this is the main entry. This is the main entry of the Monrovia Central Prison, South Beach, as it is being called. So this is where we are, folks. My name is Emmanuel Gabricheto.
I'm gonna go down when I record it, please.
What's Chief?
Who are you?
I'm a journalist.
From where?
From Cool FM. And so this is where we are. Keep watching as we bring you the updates here from the Monrovia Central Prison. Wherever you are, this is Cool TV. Keep following us. And of course, the bigger picture is now here at the Central Prison. Liberians have started arriving. As you can see, jubilation now commenced from the court, and they are now appearing in dominant white. They are appearing in dominant white. They are appearing in dominant white, black, as you can see. So the celebration is here now at the Monrovia Central Prison. This is Cool TV, live here from the Monrovia Central Prison. So please share our live podcast. It's happening live from the Monrovia Central Prison. Several family members and supporters of the former Chief Justice Gloria Musu Scott have commenced celebrations here, and I have been around here for over 3 hours now. Over 3 hours I have been here and observing the entire area. So this is it. So this is where we are. Keep sharing our live podcast, folks. It's always good to have all of you joining us. And we should have done this from the initial stage at the Supreme Court. But again, we were faced with a little network problem. So listen to it. So there's a little tracing of the ring here from the Monrovia Central Prison. Tribulation here from family members and supporters of the former Chief Justice. So this is the official entry of the Monrovia Central Prison, South Beach, and it has been called, or it's been popularly known, and of course, our judicial correspondent, Rachel Sekemelin, been following it from the courtroom, and she will shortly join us and give us some of the major information. But as you are aware, folks, let me take you back to where we are and where we came from, arriving at this critical junction of the judicial system that today the opinion of the court has been run out. On the 16th of July 2024, the prosecution lawyer and the defense lawyer had a very heated argument, and there was a series of questions being asked. There were a series of issues. And according to the justice in Chimmer, their argument or their question was the earlier verdict by Judge Roosevelt Willie from Criminal Court A. It was based upon assumption and presumption, and it says that is not what the courts required. There must be evidential instrument, or there must be sufficient evidence to have these people prosecuted. So one of the critical questions I have been asked is what exactly, because the justice in Chimmer were concerned to know exactly what really went on. Were those four individuals, what exactly were their respective pathway into the murder case? Were their case of, for example, the former Chief Justice used the net to have stabbed the late Charles Musu and then pass it on to the three other persons to have all of them committing the crime, or what really went wrong? What really happened? And so, according to the prosecution lawyer, held by Chancellor Livingstone, he said that there were no intruder into the entire building where the act was committed. There were no intruder. And since there are no intruders, those who were within the building exactly know what transpired, what led to this incident. And so the law again, according to the justice in Chimmer, that was not sufficient. They should have provided sufficient information. So the fact that those information that was, needed for the issue to have them being prosecuted was not sufficient enough. Certainly, it's the reason behind the. So, representing the procedural couple of District 5 Montserrat County. Honorable Representative, welcome to the media. You look smiling.
Yeah, today is a good day.
What makes today be a good day?
Justice was served.
Justice was served.
So, representing the Presidio Court of District 5, Montserrat County said the reason behind her smile is on grounds that justice has been served, but she could not vividly tell how the justice was being served. But from the look of things, and you can see that the fact that those acquitted today by the High Court, and of course, she hails from the Liberty Party, and of course, quote-unquote, Liberty Party, portion of the Liberty Party supported the rescue, and so she is a female as well. All of that included her being here is what she said at trigger her celebration, or the smile behind the ongoing celebration here at the Monrovia Central Prison. This is cool. 91.9. My name is Emmanuel Kabiche Tol, right here at the Monrovia Central Prison. Making sure give you a little live update here from the Central Prison. Today is Wednesday, and today is referred to as a market day for those inmates in here, where you have several family members, close associates to those who have been incarcerated. Some of them are pre-trial detainees, or have been into the facility here. So normally you have them coming to pay visit, but there were a few people observed today. You know, this is cool, and we'll give you the all updates. Downpour of rain here, a serious downpour of rain, and being off and on, but the jubilation continues here from the Monrovia Central Prison. And so this is where we are. We're going to give you bits and pieces of information coming from the corridor. So let's be together, folks. All of you, please share the live broadcast. Share the live broadcast here from the Monrovia Central Prison. The arrival of the correction bus is en route to the facility. There were several, inmates that were being taken to the court to have their days in court, and some of them will be coming back, like what we've been witnessing. Some of them being coming back to it. So the celebration has a bit subside, but yet and still people still arriving from the Monrovia, the seat of the country that knew at the seat of the country known as the capital bypass, where you have several government top ministries ranging from the executive mansion, the executive branch that has to do with the executive mansion. You have the legislature, that's the legislative branch, comprising of both houses, from the House of Representatives and the Liberian Senate. And this former Chief Justice is a former senator of Maryland County. She's a former city solicitor, that is the former Attorney General, and she holds too much portfolio, and some government vehicles are arriving. And so we're still here. Since our arrival, folks, we have been observing the arrival of some eminent and prominent citizens reaching from family members of the former Chief Justice. And just in few minutes ago, District 5 Representative Presidio Kopo arrived, and in a split of a minute to speak over, she said she's so excited on grounds that justice has been served, and so we're still following. So there's still arrival of several individuals. And so vehicles still arriving. And another representative is also arriving here at the Monrovia Central Prison, and the jubilation continues. Some supporters of the Unity Party is also en route here. Family members, Unity Party. I'm seeing the leg of Queen Johnson, who is from the Unity Party, who is here. Let's see what we can speak with. Queen Johnson, good afternoon. Queen, welcome to the media.
Welcome.
You look smiling. Why are you smiling? Why?
My cousin is coming over the happy place. God can never sleep.
Do you see they're coming outside of the former Chief Justice as justice being served?
Sure.
How?
I was sick.
Where side the politics came from?
No,
I don't know. A lot of people have described this particular case to be the former party, the former ruling party plus the current ruling party. Thank you. So the arrival of a huge police officer here from the arrival of the huge police officers from the Liberia National Police. The rioting police officers have arrived. They have gone to make a U-turn, and upon their return,
I'm more than happy.
So in 1 minute, how can you describe this?
Like I'm seeing, like I have seen heaven. This is more than heaven, in a sense that an innocent person, what I never knew of, she didn't fear. She belongs, and then they said that she killed her own daughter. At the end of the day, they jailed her. Today, she's coming out. It's tears of joy. I classify this day to be a tear of joy, and I'm more than happy.
Oh, thank you. So we're still here, and we're making every effort that we speak with some prominent and eminent citizens. The rioting police have arrived here from the Supreme Court. As we witnessed earlier on, there was a huge deployment. Normally it happens even the very day the former Chief Justice was appearing at the court, and there was a huge deployment of police officers as well. And it's the same thing now we are witnessing. So we're still here and we're following this proceeding. So we're still here. And so we're still here. We're following everything that is happening from the entry of the Monrovia Central Prison. I'm seeing the representative of District 8. I'm seeing the representative of District 8, Prince Toll. Prince Toll is arriving here at this Monrovia Central Prison. And he from the Unity Party. And so we're going to make effort. And so we're going to make effort to speak with the lawmaker. Are you not convinced you're going to come out? So the police officers are still arriving. This is how the entry of the Monrovia Central Prison is now being. Police officers have gone to make sure that they protect the entire entry of the South Beach. So keep posted, folks. So this is cool. So we're still making efforts. The rioting police have come to regulate the flow of Liberians who have come in solidarity, according to some of them. So everything, yeah. So the very day she was taken to this central prison, I can recall that there were protestation, there were people protesting by them, and those who were protesting by that time were people from the Unity Party. And why there were people jubilating, people from the CDC as well, they were jubilating. So today now, upon our arrival, following those individuals, the former Chief Justice and 3 others being acquitted from all charges, following that, we are not seeing what we saw last year. Exactly, we are not seeing that here. No one is here protesting, rather there's a huge jubilation. People are jubilating, and no one is here opposing like what we witnessed. By that time, last year, there was a very huge tension. But today, coming back here following all of the investigation, all of the fat fundings, it's a quite different show today. So this is cool. 91.9 K News. So keep following. It's already 27 minutes past 3 o'clock local time in Liberia. Jubilation continues here from the entry of the Monrovia Central Prison following the High Court in the land. In just few minutes ago, acquitted former Chief Justice Gloria Musu and 3 others from murder case. So the biggest question now some Liberians are asking is that so the question now is, the verdict has been, the court has given or handed down the opinion. The court has handed down the opinion. So, Representative 38 is the vehicles. The former Chief Justice is expected, according to information I'm receiving, that this vehicle will be the one, the former Chief Justice will have the right for. This vehicle with lesson plate REG 38 is the one, the former Chief Justice and the three acquitted individuals are expected to vote on out of the Monrovia. This is cool.
We give a rescue, I will rescue.
The brother is so we're still here at the Monrovia Central Prison. Sarah the Eagles are still arriving. And watching very carefully watching the process. I've been joined by our judicial correspondent Rachel Sekemi. Like I told you earlier on, just as the process intensifies, section is going to look, Rachel's going to go on. We're still arriving. Hey! We're still arriving here. Still huge arrival of other supporters. Dominantly, those who are dominating the arrival here, they are
and we know the other party people, the founders, our person, going to the for 2 years. So are you taking the problem because it's a government power, so they should use it, or because they put a bit of fun of safety that you leave, and you are saying that you're the government? On what? The point? And she fuck your team. And she fuck your team. Yeah? So I can't fuck your team, right? Okay. The one man, the first thing like this, so say, they put the material. So they could see classified that she was sent to jail for murder, and she was sent for last time in prison, and now they found out really a fellow. So don't you tell me what I'm telling people that there's a road because there is a government. There is a government. Gloria is part of the United Party, and they know what they've been doing. And they told you impact for 2 years. What they did? Banjo, where they kill it, the legend.
Thank you.
Happy with any job to the United Party.
Thank you, my brother.
They're not free. You're free. So the corner, why kill a car? They're sitting in the bench. They're sitting in the room. And you see what you got to free and for Oscar.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. Thank you.
Who know this?
I'm from Cool FM.
Very interesting women here. This
And so we're receiving information that it is now time that she be released from cell and be taken outside. And so a moment from now, it means that she will be escorted outside. The Senate committee, and this is Senator Blebo Brown vehicle. Senator Blebo Brown is the chair on rule, order, and administration at the level of the Liberian Senate. He hails from Maryland County. He is a current senator of Maryland County, and this vehicle as well holds the lead lawyer, Kabiden Janin. Kabiden Janin is the lead lawyer, and the senator of Maryland County, Blebo Brown vehicle have now brought in Kabiden Janet. So Senator Blebo Brown, the chair of Rule, Order, and Administration, a CDC lawmaker. A lawmaker. The chair of Rule, Order, and Administration of the Liberian Senate. You welcome to the media.
Honorable Senator, can you speak to the media?
Honorable Senator, can you speak to the media shortly? Senator Blebo Brown is moving in, and he is the chair on Rule, Order, and Administration at the level of the Liberian Senate. He is a senator of Maryland County, and the former Chief Justice is also a former senator of Maryland County as well. And so we are making effort to hear from the Maryland County. So there are still top prominent individuals. And of course, Honorable. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the media. Honorable Janet. And so you saw the face of Kabiden Janin, the impeached Associate Justice, who was the, or who is this. And they had to go in. Still there. Come on.
So guys, wheresoever you are for the liberty, let us focus on the morning or after the evening. We are right here in front of the
So we're still here. Former Senator Communist Wizard of Liberia County is also here. Former Senator Communist Wizard of Liberia County. And he has also arrived here.
Okay, that's much.
So we're still here. So we're still here. From the look of things, the ceremony will be done from in.
You are seeing you are jubilating, happy. Why are you happy, Peter?
Oh, we are celebrating the release of our mother, our grandmother, our daughters, our children who were in politically. They were jailed, they were jailed politically.
There is no rule in the particular context. The person who break out and restore the president in the particular rule or lawyer.
So I'm a bit concerned. I'm a bit concerned now. You are celebrating for the release of the former Chief Justice.
Yeah, we are
What become of the dead, the lady who died?
The family, according to the report, the family was sued the perpetrator. The perpetrator is out there. The government refused to arrest the perpetrator.
Who's the perpetrator? Who's the perpetrator?
According to the investigation, they were made DNA found within a sample. Why is it made DNA? Those are information, scientific information the government should be looking for.
Do you think justice was served?
Justice was never said. Justice was never said for the fact.
I mean today, justice was served today.
Justice was said.
How did some people really go against you when you accept the ruling? What you say? The question is, how did some people go against you when you accept the ruling?
But it was clear. It was clear for the father, mother. There were no evidence linking anybody to the crime.
There were no intruder.
There were 2 or 3 instances of attempted burglary. There were 2 or 3 instances of attempted burglary and were pronounced by the very defendant.
The very investigation also said that there was no intruder.
I agree, there was no intruder. I agree, but then the government refused to link those people to the very crime. How do you incriminate them? So you are telling us that the 5 of them use the left together? Who do this, who did that? You should be able to give them a clear evidence. Who do this, who do that? But John said that only did it.
The opponent described in a particular case to be the former ruling party versus the current ruling party. What is your opinion on this?
This is never a ruling party. This was seeing the truth. This was speaking the fact. Seeing the fact of justice. Look, let's be factual, Ryan. Let's build the country on the principle.
Is that true of us?
Concerning what?
The former ruling party plus the current ruling party.
I don't want to dive into the former ruling party and the current ruling party. We are saying, let justice be served. Let justice be served. Justice for party. For everybody, not for political party. The fact of justice was served today, we are happy.
So now justice has been served. How will you manage with the body of Chalon Musu?
Yes, the government, the case is the government here. The government still pursuing the case. The government still go after those who carry on case, they don't come here, they come out, they told me the case.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. What is your name?
I'm Frank Justo.
Okay, Mr. To?
Yeah, Mr. To.
Thank you.
So we are here.
Fred Justo is a supporter of the former Chief Justice. Today is a bed winning day in Monrovia. Today is a bed winning day in Monrovia, and of course, we are on top of this. And so we'll take a short break and rejoin you. Okay, so there's no need of taking a break now. I'm told that the former Chief Justice and the 3 others are already en route outside of the Monrovia Central Prison now. So all eyes now move. So all eyes is now set. So all eyes is now set to ensure that we capture
Well, I mean, I didn't expect that because I know that the court in question. Hey,